Hey, this is Eric from Satisfied Incorporated, and today I'm going to go through fixing these spinning center caps again. I did make another video previously about how to get them to stop spinning by basically sanding the center plate down, causing a little bit of friction between the wheel and the center plate. And it did work for a few, but there are some that are stubborn also that still spin. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the permanent fix. It's a little bit more invasive, but I thought it was actually be way worse than it is. So I'm going to show you how to permanently fix these today, and it's pretty fast, pretty easy. So what I'm going to use these little dowel pins. This is a 2.5 millimeter dowel pin. And what I'm going to do is I've got my 2.5 millimeter drill bit. You maybe use like a 2.6 millimeter drill bit or something close, but something that's a nice fit for these. And all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come in, I'm just going to drill a tiny hole in here. I'll zoom the camera in a minute, but I'm going to just drill a tiny hole in here, and then I'm going to do it while the center plate's on. And so since the center plate's on, it'll line up perfectly, and I'm going to drill into the wheel. So I'm only going to drill as much as I need to into the wheel and center plate, that I can push these dowel pins in, and there'll be a little bit of a nub sticking out of the wheel, and then that'll catch the center plate, and then that's going to stop it from rotating. So first things first, what we're going to do here is you need to make sure you're properly lined up here. And these caps had spun just a little bit, so they're not lined up. So I'm just going to make sure, it's obviously perfect, because once you throw these dowel pins in, there's no, well, you actually could fix it just by making another hole, but let's do it right the first time. So these are perfectly lined up now with the spokes and with the center cap. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2.5 mil drill bit, and then on the RC090 wheels, there's a spot, there's like a little hash mark in the wheel that is where you're expected to put the stock center cap on. So that's where I drill my hole, and it's just so I can locate the hole I'm making a little bit easier. Not a big deal. You could choose any one of these holes to go in, but just to show you, all I'm going to do, I don't know if I can get a good enough angle here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, and I'm going to drill right here in this low spot in this little corner, and then I'm going to try to straighten my drill out so I can go straight into the wheel. Like I said, this is going to make a perfect hole that'll go, it'll just go into the wheel and then out of the center cap a little bit, and then it won't allow the center cap to spin. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so that should be it. And if you're new to this sort of thing, this might seem obvious to some, but to others, the way you get a straight hole from the center cap into the wheel is you hold your drill straight. So if you look at your drill bit shouldn't be drilling like this or like this or like this. It should be drilling straight, and then it'll make sure you have a straight hole. So some of us are just learning still. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drill that hole like I did, and then I'm going to take my center hex off, and then there's my hole that I made. So all we're going to do is we're just going to throw that dowel pin in there. Like I say, you want it to stick out just a hair right there, just a little bit, and then locate your hole that you made here. And then that's it. It doesn't spin anymore. So that'll keep the plate from spinning, and then you don't actually have to have these hexes on too tight. And It's nice because now when you tighten that, now that doesn't spin the plate. So that's a pretty simple explanation of how to fix these spinning plates, or any spinning plate that you have on an RC wheel, or you know, the RS wheels, whatever. I know there's a lot of people with the chronic problem of spinning these plates, so that's a quick and easy way to do it. And obviously now you have a hole in your center cap, but I thought this was going to be a way bigger eyesore than it really is. It's I can't barely see it, so I'm not really worried about it. But if I refinish these wheels, which these wheels do need refinish now, you could just throw like a little dab of like JB Weld over that hole, sand it smooth, and then paint over the top of it, and then that'll eliminate the hole. It'll also make so the dowel pin doesn't come floating out of the center cap. So I mean, you could even do that right now, or there's a couple ways you could fix that. I even thought, you know, maybe you could thread the hole a little bit and put a little tiny set screw in there. You know, there's a lot of options, but I think the days of these caps spinning are over, just because of that pin, and that makes me very happy. So hopefully this helps other people that are having this issue. If you have any comments or whatever, let me know, and thanks for watching.